Next is it defines the political nature of the country. Now, if I explain it in detail, it says that a country, if it is democratic in nature, it clearly mentions that democracy means the government of the people, by the people, for the people. So, the person who is the head of the government cannot turn autocratic, because the constitution clearly defines the political nature of the country. So, he cannot do anything against that. And definitely the constitution is a safeguard against misrule. Misrule means that it could be that the person who is the head of the country at a certain point of time feels that he can become an autocrat or he can turn into a dictator, but this cannot happen if there is a proper constitution which clearly indicates what are the rules, what are the regulations, what are the powers, what are the limitations of each one of us. Then the minorities need to be given certain protection and certain more privileges to bring them into the mainstream, and it is the constitution which protects them against any such mishappening. That is to say, the minority is totally protected by certain safeguards which are written in the constitution. Then the constitution also saves us from ourselves. Now, how does it happen? It saves us from ourselves because sometimes when we are unhappy with the government, we can say that let's change the democratic nature of the government and let's take up dictatorship, which will be stronger and which will be better for the country. But this outflow of emotions can be checked easily if there is a constitution which clearly indicates that the government is democratic and will remain democratic. So, it saves us from ourselves.